Hello, I'm Kate Stichin on InstaForex TV with the fresh Forex news. Last week, Greece demonstrated that it can hold the short-term debt auction very successfully and at lower rates than it would have to pay for getting the access to emergency loans. The euro uprose again to 1.30 versus the US dollar. Even the lowering of the Irish credit rating by Moody's agency did not have a long impact. The panic on the market has faded. But one should not believe it. It should be kept in mind that last week Greece postponed the one-year debt securities auctions, and they are hardly delayed for a long-term prospects. So the euro is growing mostly because the US dollar is decreasing. The crisis still exists, so it is not so vivid now. The investors no longer reveal nervousness. The Greek sovereign debt is not among three leaders in the world by cost of insurance in case of default. The falling of the European common currency towards the parity with the US dollar or even lower in the nearest few months now looks unlikely, but the situation will continue developing. And it was well confirmed this weekend when the IMF and the European Union decided to take strict positions toward Hungary. Emergency creditors are not convinced by the Hungarian budget plans. Hungary refused from dramatic deficit reduction. Thus, this Eastern European country by far will not receive the sequent payment of the credit amounting to 20 billion euros. However, the situation could have developed according to a more adverse scenario. Hungary does not have extreme need in France, and the creditors left this market not for good. Nevertheless, the national currency and bonds got under immense pressure caused by the investors' worries. And this also is important for the Eurozone. The cost of the insurance in case of default of the sovereign debt in Austria, which is a member of the euro area, has increased as its banks depend much on the situation on the Central and Eastern Europe. In addition, the investors still express doubts regarding the whole project of the European common currency sustainability. Persistent demands of Germany that Greece and other euro area countries in difficult situation conducted tight measures over a decade or more can lead to the crash of the euro. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team. Goodbye.